No, of course we are sad with the result. I think we made a good first half. I think in the first half we played the way we were training to play, and we deserved to score some goals. We didn't, and in the second half, after conceding the first one, the team anemic, like in the state of anemically. Fell off, and and then the goals scored. We tried to go for the goal, putting more attacking players. They scored the third one in that way. So a tough one to start like this, but that's football. So let's try to refocus now in Persis Solo. Try to work this week. It was only 2 weeks of working, so it's really difficult in 2 weeks to put everything you want to put. We could see many of it in the first half. But of course we need to keep improving.
Coach Marcos mengatakan ini bukan hasil yang diharapkan, kita sedih dengan hasilnya. Kita bermain baik, Persis Kediri bermain baik di babak pertama, seharusnya kita bisa mencetak gol dan unggul. Tapi di babak kedua permainan sedikit menurun. Kami berusaha, Persis Kediri berusaha untuk mengejar, tapi ya itulah sepak bola. Terkadang ada yang menang, ada yang kalah. Kita akan mulai fokus ke laga menghadapi Persis Solo dan akan berusaha keras di latihan yang akan datang.
Alhamdulillah kami dari pemain mencapai alhamdulillah keadaannya masih sehat semua, dan kita melakukan permainan baik yang di babak pertama kita melakukan dengan baik, tapi kita kehilangan fokus di babak kedua, jadi kita kebobolan, dan terus kami semua pemain akan melakukan evaluasi dari sini dan evaluasi untuk tim, dan semoga ke depan lebih baik dan bisa meraih hasil yang maksimal di pertandingan selanjutnya. Terima kasih.
Okay, no, I mean, I already knew that Indonesian football was with high level, that the football is growing, they are coming every day even more foreigners also, the locals are growing the level, so I already knew that, and well, it was, as I said, it was a game that even knowing that Persita is a good team with good players, but we did it well in the first half. The second half, well, we dropped like anemically, as I said, but I know that every team that we're going to face is going to be really difficult because the level of the league it's higher. No, about transfers, we will see. I mean, we are now focused on next game, focus on the players that we have, and from here we will see if we bring somebody into the squad to make us even stronger, but right now I can't tell you anything else than that. Yeah.
Oke. Terkait impresi pertama dari Coach Marcos ketika melihat sepak bola Indonesia, Coach Marcos sudah tahu kalau sepak bola Indonesia sedang berkembang dan juga punya kualitas yang tinggi, terutama dengan datangnya sejumlah pemain asing. Dengan kualitas tinggi itu, dia tahu kalau semuanya tidak bakal mudah. Yang kedua, terkait transfer window, dia akan lebih fokus pada pemain yang ada sekarang, dan dia akan melihat siapa saja yang bisa didatangkan untuk memperkuat skuad nanti, dan tapi untuk sementara fokus ada pada pertandingan yang akan datang dan skuad yang ada sekarang.
What I'm not happy about this goal is that like it's some mentality thing that we can't think that nothing is going to happen. We need to be closer to that player, so if we are closing and not looking, then he will not do the bicycle kick. It was a great goal, but it was really our defense mistake. We can't be looking at the guy and then he scores. You have to be closer to him, thinking that something can happen, as it happened. So this is one of these things that after 2 weeks of training you can't train everything you want. Usually you have 5 weeks of preseason and then you can work on everything. In 2 weeks you try to work as much as you can, but yeah, this is one of the things that we can improve. The first one, sorry?
Can Persik learn from after this game?
No, well, I mean, I already knew to the team that I was coming with the players that we have, and I know, like, of course, every training, every game, I will know them even better, and I will see their performances, and from there, we will keep competing between each other and try to put the best squad every weekend. Now we have to focus on Persis Solo. That's the only thing that matters to me. and try to get the 3 points because at home we need to be strong and get the 3 points.
Yang pertama terkait gol yang dimaksud, memang ada sedikit kesalahan di lini belakang. Ada harusnya pergerakan harusnya ditutup, tapi ya gol yang bagus, tapi itu seharusnya tidak terjadi. Yang kedua, yang evaluasi, Coach Marcos akan mengatakan tadi kita akan tetap berlatih seperti biasa di pekan yang akan datang. Kita fokusnya pada Persis Solo, dan 2 minggu persiapan mungkin tidak bisa menyamai persiapan selama 5 minggu ketika seperti pre-season, tapi Coach Marcos sudah berusaha untuk memaksimalkan dan kita tahu kita masih bisa punya ruang untuk berkembang lagi.
Terima kasih sudah menonton. Silakan subscribe, like, dan jangan lupa komen di bawah ya Bola Spotter.